to Anna's World, and today I'll be making a video, and the video is going to be about hide and go seek. Basically, I'm going to be playing with my dogs. She loves hide and go seek, so hopefully I get everything on camera, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell on so you can know every time I upload a video. So let's get to it. Let me set up my camera. Alright. Give me a minute. Okay. Close the door. Cause I'm gonna hide right here.
It ain't done like that.
I like what they're gonna see. They're not stupid. No. No. Now.
Good. Bye, Mom. Bye, girl. Where's Mom? Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's Mom? Lily! Hey! Lily! Where's Mom? Move. Where's Mommy? Hey! Where's Mommy? Call her. Call her. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Hey! Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy at? Down there! Where's Mommy? No! Where's Mommy? Where's she at?
Lily.
Get Mom.
Lily.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hey guys, so as you can see, my dog got to find me. She took a long time, but as you can see in the video, she was ripping something in the corner. But she was just excited. But yeah, she got to find me. I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is the end of the video, y'all. So enjoy your Halloween and go trick or treat, little kids. So I'll see you in my next video, okay? Bye. Peace.